Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove TikTok watermark. So if you guys want to get rid of the TikTok watermark on your video, on the videos that you saved from TikTok, you'll just need to watch this video because in this easy tutorial, I'll show you how you can remove the TikTok watermark from videos with simple tools. So you don't need to use any apps, you just need your TikTok and your device. And this is what you are going to do. First, you can just open the TikTok applications and find the videos that you want to save. And let's just save the video by clicking on this arrow, click on the share button and choose to yes, this one, copy link. So not click on save video but copy the link, and in here you can just go open your browser, and on the browser just find TikTok video downloader. Now you can see Google's will show you lots of options of web that you can use to remove a TikTok watermark or to save video without the watermark. So you can just choose which one. For example, I'm going to just go with the musically down, and in here you can see download TikTok videos online without watermark. So you can just paste the TikTok video link that you just copy before in here on this box and tap on download. So once you do that, you can see the video details of the videos that you want to download, as well as the captions and also the creator. So what you need to do is just tap on this download MP4 option and wait until the download is begin. You can just tap on details to see the progress. Okay, so now it has been downloaded. You can find it on your album or gallery. In this case, I'm going to just go with the video and just click on the video, the latest video, and you guys can see I've already saved the video and there is no watermark attached on the TikTok videos that I just saved. That's pretty easy, right? So it is perfect tips for you if you got a favorite TikTok video but don't want any watermark attached. You can just follow this step. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.